Hello, dear children. Today's topic adjectives. It's your lesson number 3 from the grammar book and page number 28. Okay, so let's begin with the first page of this lesson. Okay, this particular scene, what is explained here? Okay, it's told to you that you need to think about something. What is that thing? Rewrite each sentence replacing the word in color with a single word. Okay, what is the first task you have given? Whatever colored words are there, can you see these are the colored words? Adored by all. First one is of danger, that spreads by contact. Full of humor, adored by all. Of great importance, shrouded in mystery. So three are done by me, two are done by me, one was done in the book itself. So rest fourth, fifth and sixth should be done by you. Okay, so what was the task here? The simple task is she lives a life of danger. So it means you need to read the sentence first. What is the second task you have got? You need to observe the colored word. What is the colored word here? Of danger. And what is next here? Next task is you need to just convert these two words into one single word. Okay, obviously this topic belongs to the topic adjective, so you need to convert these phrases, these group of words into one single word as adjective. Okay, she lives a life of danger. She lives a dangerous life. Of danger is converted into a dangerous life. Okay, it has described a noun. नाउन की क्वालिटी, अच्छाई, बुराई, ओके, क्वालिफाई करता है वो नाउन को. एडजेक्टिव ऑलवेज क्वालिफाइज द नाउन. व्हाट इज द नाउन हियर? लाइफ इज द नाउन एंड इट इज गिविंग यू एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन. हाउ इज द लाइफ? डेंजरस. सो डेंजरस इज एडजेक्टिव. एड्स इज नॉट अ डिसीज दैट स्प्रेड्स बाय कॉन्टैक्ट. सो एड्स इज नॉट अ कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. Okay, don't write disease twice. I have by mistake I have written it. Okay, AIDS is not a communicable disease. He is a boy full of humor. So full of humor are the colored words. Full of humor, colored words, right? So he is a humorous boy. So humorous will be the adjective which qualifies the noun boy. Boy के ठीक पहले उसका quality दिखा रहा है. Similarly, यहाँ पे how is it? Life. Just before the word life, it is showing its quality. It's either good or bad. And just before the noun disease, it's telling its quality. Okay, qualities can be good or bad also, right? So rest fourth, fifth and sixth should be done by you. So the words you have used here describe noun. यहाँ पे fill in the blanks में क्या लिखोगे आप लोग? Noun और pronouns also. कैन इट ओनली डिस्क्राइब द नाउन्स? क्यों भैया सिर्फ नाउन्स को क्यों डिस्क्राइब करेगा? इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोनाउन की भी तो आ सकती है. बिकॉज प्रोनाउंस आर नथिंग बट रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ नाउन. किसी बॉय का नाम है, इन रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ दैट बॉयज नेम आई कैन मेंशन ही. तो सिर्फ नाउन को डिस्क्राइब नहीं करेगा एडजेक्टिव, इट कैन ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट विल यू राइट हियर? Noun or pronoun, such words are known as adjective. In third blank you will write adjective. ठीक है, I'll provide you the answer key later. अभी नहीं आंसर बताएंगे हम आपको, ठीक है, but till the time you have to do it. We have done with this page. Now let's move ahead. It's page number 29. Now it's time to know different types of adjectives. Different types. One and the only topic, but types are total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. फर्स्ट वन क्वालिटी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स कैन कम? स्विफ्ट, वेट, ये तो जस्ट एग्जाम्पल हुए. ऐसे क्वालिटी के कितने सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं. गुड, बैड, राइट, एंड हैप्पी. नॉट हैप्पी बट गुड, बैड, इट शोज द क्वालिटी, राइट. इट इज़ वेरी ब्राइट, इट इज़ वेरी डल, सो इट शोज द क्वालिटी. क्वांटिटी, सम एंड मच. सम एंड मच, this goes for quantity. Number, for example 6, few. So few can also be used. Demonstrative means, जैसे pronoun में हमने demonstrative pronouns समझे थे, and I had explained you demonstrative adjectives also, if you remember. This or that के ठीक बाद में अगर noun आया, then this is nothing but demonstrative adjective. Already we have covered it. आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा रिविजन की तरह ही है, ठीक है. Possessive, आफ्टर मीन्स विच क्वालिफाइज अ नाउन हिज हर, ओके, उसके ठीक हिज और हर या आवर के बाद में अगर कोई नाउन आ जाता है, सो दैट इज पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. दिस थिंग ऑल्सो टॉट टू यू. आप अच्छे से प्रोनाउन वाला लेसन सुनिए फिर से, you will understand. I have explained you already. We have discussed adjectives of demonstration, possessive and interrogative. Okay, interrogative WH type of questions, right? So let's see the elaborated forms of them. Okay, means they're with examples. Let's understand them with examples. First one ends here, इसलिए मैं एक line बना देता हूँ यहाँ पे. Okay, so that this particular section belongs to adjectives of quality. Okay, this particular box belongs to adjectives of quality. See carefully. Notice the adjectives in color in the sentences. Okay, I am a horrible cook. This is an interesting book. So what are the colored words? First one में क्या है? Horrible है, and then second one it's interesting. Okay, so what is the explanation given in the box? See in the box. Explanation is आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ व्हाट काइंड, किस तरह की चीज़ है वो. इफ सच क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड टू द सेंटेंस, यू विल गेट द आंसर. आई एम हॉरिबल. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कुक आर यू? हॉरिबल. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बुक इज इट? इंटरेस्टिंग. सो इट गिव्स द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ व्हाट काइंड. किस क्वेश्चन का आंसर देता है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी? ऑफ व्हाट काइंड. इट इज़ ऑलरेडी गिवन देयर. ओके, ऑफ व्हाट काइंड मीन्स क्या? तरह का. काइंड मीन्स, काइंड हैज़ टू मीनिंग्स. काइंड, दिस वर्ड हैज़ टू मीनिंग्स. वन काइंड, वन हु इज़ ऑनेस्ट एंड पोलाइट, उसको भी काइंड पर्सन बोला जाता है. काइंड मीन्स टाइप को भी काइंड बोला जाता है. किस? ऑफ व्हाट टाइप भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. ऑफ व्हाट टाइप. ओके, सो ऑफ व्हाट टाइप? हॉरिबल टाइप. ऑफ व्हाट टाइप? बुक इज इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप. So such type of adjectives are known as adjectives of quality. Okay, now let's move towards next type of adjective, which is adjective of quantity. It is adjectives of quantity. Okay, quality, quantity, they sound similar, इसलिए confuse नहीं होना. Quantity means how many numbers of things, कितने हैं, 10 15 20, so many. But quantity not only numbers, but how much, many, much, few, so many. All these words can also show quantity. So what is the example? Megha has a little patience. There is not much oil left. There is not much oil left. Megha has little patience. Okay, so here little and much both show the quantities. Okay, answer the question. How much? How much? A little. Has little patience. How much oil left? Not much oil left. Okay, it answers the question how much. How much means कितना. Quantity means कितने amount में कोई चीज़ है. What is the amount of anything. Okay, now let's move towards the next type of adjective. It is ordinal and cardinal in nature. Okay, and they are known as adjectives of number or definite numeral adjectives. Okay, this can also be termed as definite numeral adjectives. Okay, the explanation begins from here and ends in this page. Okay, notice the adjectives in color in the sentence. Okay, what is the color here? Can you see? First 4. Read the sentences. Tenzing stood first in my class. Mr. Bhatia has 4 cars. Okay, so these are the 2 examples. Fine. So let's discuss this particular examples. Okay, what are these 2 examples? First and 4 are the highlighted word, right? Tenzing stood first in my class. Mr. Bhatia has 4 cars. Okay, so these adjectives, let's notice more adjectives from this box. Okay, answer the questions in what order. These adjectives can also answer how many and respectively. Okay, how many? 4. How many? 5. And in what order? In what order means what, in what manner was it done means third आया, fourth आया. In what order means first rank आया, second rank आया. That can also be told. So such kind of numbers have different terms also. I'll tell you what kind of word is used for first, second, third, fourth, उसके उस टाइप के numbers को क्या बोला जाता है, I'll tell you. But it also tells how many. Okay, how many means number of things. 4 है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So as you can see here are kind of adjectives of number, और ये दोनों भी क्या है, first, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, infinity. So such and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on, all the numbers. इस तरह के words जो होते हैं adjectives of numbers कहलाते हैं. What do we call them? Adjectives of number. And when there are fixed numbers are there, okay, then we call them definite numeral adjective. Fixed number because we know for first लिखा हुआ है, so second third भी लिखा हुआ है, so numbers are fixed, right? And number 4 is written here, 5 7 8 9 10 कुछ भी हो सकता है. So such kind, so fixed numbers are given, so that is the reason we call them definite numeral adjectives. So easy, definite numeral adjectives. Okay, now let's see what is there in the next page. Fine. So in fact some more divisions are given here. Adjectives are numbers are divided into two types. Those when we use specific numbers, first, second, third, fourth, 1 2 3 4, they were definite numeral adjectives. But sometimes we show the amount, but हम लोग वो नंबर मेंशन नहीं करते अमाउंट शो करते टाइम पे. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड, we will see. Adjectives of number can be further divided into these categories. Okay, there are more categories here. Some children were going on picnic. Some, because कुछ तो नंबर होगा ना, सम का भी, सम भी बोल रहे तो 10 15 20, so obviously again it belongs to a numeral, means number. Most people is, so we can count the people. People is the noun which can be counted. So most people, indefinite numeral adjective when numbers are not used. Answer the question, how many? Some. How many? Most people. How many? Some children. Okay, so it answers the question how many without referring to an exact number. This is very important thing. So indefinite numeral adjectives will never refer an exact number, मतलब exactly कितने नंबर थे वो नहीं बताता. Some and most such words are used for them. Okay, are kind of adjectives of number and indefinite numeral adjectives. So when we use exact numbers, then we call them, see, exact number first and 4 exact numbers are used, definite numeral adjectives. And when we don't use the numbers, then we call them indefinite numeral adjectives. But still there are some counting तो हो सकती है उनकी, लेकिन exact number mention नहीं किया जाता. Okay, now there are distributive also. Each and every are the word which can be distributed. Each, every. So such kind of adjectives are distributive numeral adjectives. Numeral means related to number. Numeral अगर word दिख गया, it means it is related to a number. Okay, each boy, see this section. Okay, so each boy must submit his work today. Every pill has expired. So refer to each one of a number. Each one मतलब हर एक के लिए ये adjective use होता है, are kind of adjectives of number. Okay, so distributive numeral adjective. So can you observe one very common thing in all types of adjectives? They have a noun connected to it. Some children is a noun. Most people, most के ठीक बात क्या आ गया, people, that is the reason it is an adjective. Adjective के साथ noun आएगा तो ही वो adjective कहलाएगा. So some can be used anywhere, this that can be used anywhere, है ना. लेकिन उसके बाजू में ठीक नाउन आ गया. ईच के बाद बॉय है, एवरी के बाद पिल है, पिल मीन्स गोलियाँ, मेडिसिन. सो इन दैट केस यू कैन कॉल देम एडजेक्टिव व्हेन इट इज़ अटैच्ड टू अ नाउन. ओके, अदरवाइज दे आर डोंट साउंड लाइक नाउन्स, सॉरी एडजेक्टिव्स. नाउन नहीं है बाजू में तो वो एडजेक्टिव की तरह साउंड ही नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स टुडे and there is a task. Underline the adjectives in these sentences and state their kinds. 4 are done by me, rest should be done by you. Okay, so definite, indefinite सारे आपको ढूंढ के निकालने हैं. Indefinite numeral adjectives, definite. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव किस में आएगी, जहाँ पे ईच वगैरह लिखा होगा तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट आएगी. सो आइदर कैन ऑल्सो बी अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, मीन्स ईच एंड एवरी के बारे में बात करना. आइदर और कैन कम अंडर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव. so either was not given here, but I am telling you. Many children were absent, many, some, most, many, ये एक ही कैटेगरी में आता है. दैट इज द रीजन. इंडेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स, वी डोंट नो द डेफिनेट नंबर, स्पेसिफिक नंबर नहीं पता. मेनी एंड एनी बोथ आर सेम, सो अगेन इंडेफिनेट न्यूमरल adjectives. He performed a courageous act, so it is adjective of quality. Okay, it is adjective of quality. And then a number, endangered species, so it is adjective of number. But which number? In definite, you can write number की जगह आप DNA भी लिख सकते हो. definite numeral adjective, because definite number, specific number mention किया हुआ है, एक फिक्स नंबर लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. okay, that is the reason it should be definite numeral adjective. 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th, 10th all should be done by you. And here we have done with today's lecture. I'll come back with the further part of the lesson. Thank you. Take care.